Hello everyone, today I'd like to unbox this package. This is a watch storage box that I ordered from a company called CASE ELEGANCE. I believe these are designed in US but made in China. The Steve Jobs quote. And I've been collecting of watches for almost 2 years. I only have 2 watches yet. Hopefully I'll have more. And I decided to buy kind of nice wooden box to, put the watches in, kind of have them displayed nice and neat. So let's unbox this. There we go. Nicely packaged. Oh. Alright, let's take these guys off. Ooh. Nice. And here it is. Wow, it's really cool. It comes with this warranty. I think I'll register that. And this box is so they have a few different kinds of boxes, and also the CASE ELEGANCE is not the only brand I've been looking into. This is just the one I like the most, and the price wise it was affordable. I paid about like $55 for this box, and let me see if I can pull up some information about the dimension. Give me one sec. So this is what I got. It says herringbone two-toned watch box. Has 5 slots, meaning you can put five watches. And it's a two-toned is what I like about this box. So I thought I wanted just a natural color wood color box, but this is I believe it's also wood, but the top part is gray. And what I like about this box is that the bottom half is see this kind of cool texture. I think it's called this word, the herringbone. It's a name for this kind of pattern. See, like this kind of zigzag. I don't know what the material is, but it feels nice. So it's a really nice box. And I have only 2 watches, and one of them is they both are Longines. These 2 watches are currently the one I have. So, sorry, it's this way. So I think I'll start off with this side and put that in there. Hopefully it fits. Or it might be a little bit too small. Okay. Yep, I think I just put it like that for now. Like that. I'll fix it later. I just want to do this just to show you guys. Yeah, it's a little bit too small for that. I don't know if I can put that nicely, but like that. It's really cool. You can see the watches through this glass. Yeah, it's really cool. I know it's just really quick, short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're looking to, you know, maybe getting yourself a nice watch box, I'll recommend this Case Elegance. I think they make a cool stuff. Oh. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, I kind of went a little harder and managed to tie up the strap. It's a really soft material, so you can, you know, it can be really tight, but then I think it's fine. Like that.